Welcome to FlowAccount. I'm here to teach you how to use our Assets feature. Our Assets feature helps you record your operating assets as a separate category of your expenditures. Let's say you've just bought a tablet for your sales manager. There are two ways to record this tablet as an operating asset. 1. Via the Expenses tab. This is the best way if you've just bought it this financial year. Click Expense in the menu. Click Create New in the upper right-hand corner. Fill in the description. Here's the important part. In the Categories drop-down menu, click to choose Computer or IT Equipment - Fixed Assets. Fill in the price and seller information. Don't forget to check if you've recorded the price as with or without VAT. Click Save and Close. Now click on Asset List to see a list of your assets, and there it is. The second way to record an asset is to do it from the Assets Management menu. If you bought the asset prior to this accounting year, this is the best way. First, click on the Assets Management menu. Then click Add New. Then click Add Existing Asset. Now let's fill out only the required details. First, asset name, we'll type in Acme Tablet for sales team. Asset category, we'll select IT/computer equipment. Purchase date, let's pretend we bought it 2 years ago on the 1st of June. Start date, that means the day it starts to depreciate in value. Typically, this is the same day as purchase date. Your accountant will be the best person to ask if you're unsure. Purchase price, exactly what you paid for it. It was 35,000 baht. Residual value, this is how much your item would sell for at the end of its life. If it won't sell for anything, just put 1 baht, but don't leave it blank. FlowAccount auto-fills the rest. FlowAccount uses the Revenue Department's chart of depreciation to calculate these according to the category you chose. So, you know these are correct. You can create custom categories if you've purchased something that is unusual or is not listed in the government's guidelines. We'll talk more about this in a future video for accountants. So, for computer equipment, since they typically only last for 3 years, it shows 3 years for economic life and 33% for depreciation rate. Or if you've already accounted for this depreciation cost, click Asset has accumulated depreciation and fill in the depreciation cost you've calculated from your previous ledger, as well as the date you began to calculate that depreciation. Click Save and click Close. You can also change the status of this asset. From purchase to disposal, you can track it all here. Best part, we automatically record this in your ledger. Just click Run Depreciation and Record Depreciation. This way, you'll always know how much your business is worth, thanks to having a list of assets that is always up to date. That's it. Congratulations! You've recorded your operating assets and are another step closer to managing a successful business.